Good afternoon, Mark Bruno here with Inkish TV, and we are at Printing United Expo 2024, and the Women in Print Alliance luncheon just ended. And joining us right now is Adrienne Palmer. Hi, Adrienne.
Hey, Mark.
How are you?
Great to see you.
So, Adrienne, you are the editor-in-chief of DTF Printing magazine, and also a advisory council member of the Women in Print Alliance. Did I get that right?
Yes, you got it right.
Okay, and
yeah.
I know you've been involved in this initiative for how long?
8 or 9 years.
Okay.
Yeah, a group of women came together at a Printing United, again, almost a decade ago, really talking about the need for a community of females in the entire print industry. Felt like we needed an opportunity to connect and to recognize women in the industry. And so we met with Printing United, or SGIA at the time, and just really worked together to create a board, this council of women. And it's been many years of trying to figure out exactly what that looks like. But at the end of the day, we really wanted to create a membership and have a safe space for females in the industry, and of course our male allies as well. And so we started with a breakfast every year, and that breakfast was always sold out. We had keynote speakers, we had members of our alliance speaking, and that just showed that there was a need for women in the industry to come together. And kind of at the same time that we were discussing this alliance and what this looked like, I had launched the Women in Print Awards through Big Picture and then later Screen Printing Magazine. And we were recognizing women in the industry and having Printing United Alliance as a sponsor. And it just felt like there was this big movement for women in print. And now we have, a program where you can join and be a member. And that's just something that we'd worked together and worked on for so long, and to see it come to fruition and again have a sold out luncheon here at the show floor, it's just so exciting.
So it sounds like originally it was kind of a grassroots effort. Is
Absolutely.
that, yeah? Like how small was it at first? Just a few people?
Yeah, like 5, 7 women, all from different parts of the industry. So you're talking screen printing, wide format, commercial, packaging. And so yes, absolutely grassroots, but with the help from Printing United Alliance. And now we have our wonderful director, Elizabeth Lyons-Black, who just has elevated everything and really been able to make changes that we've worked so hard for.
Yeah, awesome. We're going to talk to Elizabeth in a minute. But give me a little bit of an idea of some of the feedback you've gotten, maybe recently, but maybe over the years, like how important this is to some of the women who are members or involved. What are some of the benefits, if you will?
Yeah, tons of benefits. I think having a community in general, finding people that look like you, and being able to ask questions. There's low level stuff like, what do I wear to a trade show, or what do I do when I'm at a booth and no one's speaking to me? That's been something that's really been just across the board. Every single female has unfortunately dealt with going to a booth or going to a company, and they're not spoken to as if they're the owner or the person who actually is going to make the decision to buy something. And so having those types of conversations where we can learn from each other, and then again work with our male allies to say, how can we kind of stop that from happening, and how can we work toward this leveling of the playing field. And so I think having those conversations, creating this community, we do at some point want to offer types of mentorship and programs that are really going to help us all work together. And I think having female leaders in that space, people you can look up to and connect with, is just so important.
Yeah, well, that's great. We wish you more growth and hope the membership initiative takes off.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.